Hey guys, this is gonna be just a little quick video, but they have released some 10-second promos for Survivor 46 on YouTube, and they make the cast look like they are inmates at Arkham Asylum. And I just had to show you these absolutely unhinged promos. So let's get straight into them.
Last I checked, several means 7, not 4.
What in the actual flippity flop did Jelinski just say?
Last I checked, several means 7, not 4.
Okay, Jelinski here said, last time I checked, several means 7, not 4. What? There are only 3 possibilities of what just happened. The first one is, Jelinski has negative 14 brain cells. The second one is, Jelinski just had a stroke, and instead of trying to help him, everyone just looks at him with a smirk on their face. And the last option is, which is probably the worst outcome out of the bunch, is that Jelinski found the idol where you have to say a stupid saying at the challenge. And please don't let that be the case.
I need a miracle.
What can I do?
Can you find me an idol?
Yeah, that's a W strategy, bro. Honestly, if she doesn't find an idol here for Buhanu Gabal to shove into his turban, then she is just Meggy racist, because only a racist white person would not find Buhanu Gabal a idol.
I told my kids mommy is gonna lie, cheat, and steal.
Ma'am, every single Survivor mom says that. You are not special.
I'm gonna be in my little minivan driving the game.
You get it? Because she's a mom and she's on Survivor. So every single sentence that she says has to be related to her being a mom. I can't wait for one of her castmates to have to go poo-poo. So then she says, okay, just let me know when you're done so I can wipe your butt.
You're talking about how you have all these businesses. Huh. Well, I'm out here for money.
Kevin is acting like you can't want money but also have businesses. Have you seen Mr. Krabs or cryptocurrency consumers? Yeah, but out of all of the really dumb promos, this is probably the best one.
Why did he even come out here?
This is definitely taking place 2.5 seconds after Buhanu Gabal asked for the idol.
He could have just gone camping.
Ma'am, what campsite do you know that's offering $1 million buckarooskies?
All you had to do was lie.
Well, we know she's not talking about the mother goose of the season, because she's going to lie still and cheat, like she told her kids. Well guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and comment down below which one of these bozos that you think is going to be the first boot of 46.
Hey everybody, this is Bruce here for Season 45 Survivor. Now, I, Bruce, the greatest Survivor player to ever exist, demand that all of you subscribe to Meme View, that's M-E-M-E, View, and hit the like button, or, if you don't, you end up like me on Season 44, alright? You don't want that, do you? Peace!